So now that you've inserted a single person, let's try and do something more complex. Let's try and insert many persons, right? So we have the users collection, we have an insert many. You could also do this one at a time, insert, 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 but there's an insert many command in the Mongo collection, so we can actually set in many people at once. And you'll add the square brackets to indicate that we're going to have multiple users here. And now we have the first one here. This is an example I took again from the Mongo database site. And here's the first user right here. So that's the first document inside this collection. And he has an ID of 1, he has she has a name of Sue, she has an age, type, and then she has another set of documents inside it. We call these embedded documents. So inside a document, you can have another document. Every time you see a a curly bracket, that means that we have another document right here, and that's, in this case, it has an artist and it has some food. We also has a list of finished, that's 17 and 13. We also have some batches, which is also an array. We had an array of embedded documents, so you can make some pretty complex inserts here, and you can go and play around with this and do whatever you want. Here's a rather large set of people I'm going to try and insert. I'll just press enter, and it inserted the following guys with the following IDs, right? So let's do again a find, and let's see if we actually have all these guys inserted now. So you'll see now I have a lot of people inserted in my beautiful database. We'll look at these later inside the RoboMongo, because this is, you can see already that it's kind of hard to read and explain from this very basic terminal. So using the Mongo shell is cool, but it can very quickly get very hard to read. So I found this example inside the updated documents, and I just copy pasted it in. So you can pretty much start playing around with how you insert documents, how you query documents, update and delete documents directly in the shell using these examples. But I'll end it right here, and I'll start using RoboMongo from the next lessons, because it's just easier for me to explain what's going on using RoboMongo instead of using the shell. So go and play around with these different commands inside the shell if you want to, or go to the next lesson where we'll start using RoboMongo instead. Have fun.